There's a name for how specific sounds lift us to higher consciousness. Science has identified the way ancient specific sounds and patterns function as sound medicine, transforming our neurological system, emotions, thoughts, and being with a descriptive name. Ancient wisdom cultures knew and practiced these transformational sound systems for healing, restoration, insight, intuition, alignment, creativity, and navigating the multiverse. Just like NDEs and OBEs, there is a name that recognizes this transformational sound medicine technology. This is the emergence of the special ancient sound system. Gain deeper insights, up-to-date info with the harmonic sound keys. Join the email list to stay connected.